Understanding, normalizing a number in mathematics. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating concept often encountered in mathematics and computer science: normalizing a number. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We're going to break it down into simple terms, so by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means to normalize a number and why it's such an important process. So, let's get started. Normalizing a number essentially means adjusting its value to fit within a certain range or to meet a specific format, making it easier to compare with other numbers or to process in mathematical operations. It's a bit like adjusting your watch to a 24-hour format to make it consistent with international timekeeping standards. In mathematics, normalizing can help in simplifying calculations and in data analysis, ensuring that the numbers we work with are on a common scale. 1. In mathematics, when dealing with vectors, normalizing a vector means adjusting its length to 1. This is done by dividing each component of the vector by its magnitude. This process makes it easier to perform operations like calculating the angle between vectors or finding their direction without altering their orientation in space. 2. In computer science, when processing data, it's common to normalize values to fall between 0 and 1. This is particularly useful in machine learning, where data from different sources might be on vastly different scales. By normalizing the data, algorithms can process these values more efficiently and accurately. 3. In everyday life, think of it as adjusting your recipes to a standard cup size when cooking. Whether you're using big cups or small cups, normalizing the cup size ensures that the proportions of ingredients remain consistent, resulting in a delicious dish every time. Normalizing numbers is crucial for many reasons. It enhances comparability. It allows us to compare numbers from different scales or units directly. Improves accuracy. In computer science and data analysis, it helps algorithms to process and analyze data more effectively, leading to more accurate outcomes. Simplifies calculations. It reduces complexity in mathematical operations, making it easier to perform calculations and predict results. And that's a wrap on normalizing a number. I hope this video has illuminated this concept and shown you how it applies not just in mathematics and computer science, but in our everyday lives as well. Remember, normalizing is all about making numbers easier to work with, compare, and understand. So, the next time you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it's all about. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. See you in the next video.